Hello, my name is Corey, and today is day 4 of my life redesign project. So, one of the things that I want to do is show you my problem matrix. I do not have it typed out into the document I'm going to use kind of go forward, but one of the things I did want to do is show you that I just jotted down some notes. So ultimately what I have here is just a series of notes on some of the topics that I want to cover. This is just a list of stressors, things I want to eventually work on to figure out. So for example, it's my health, it's wealth or finances, right? My family, my work, my ministry work, my home, right? All the house stuff that needs to get done, all the yard stuff, all the car stuff, my fitness, my ability to organize, and relationships. All things that I want to improve or work on. I just started jotting a list of things down. Now, as I was jotting those notes down, one of the things that I looked at was I wanted to try to make them so that I wasn't just sitting around complaining. I want to try to make them a little bit more positive and less negative. So, for example, instead of saying, I hate cars, I just don't, all cars need to work, I think it needs to sound a little bit more positive. So it'll sound something like, I want to make sure I always have reliable transportation and a plan B for when the cars are being serviced or maintained. So I think some of that stuff is what I want to work on, is trying to make it more positive, make it sure that at the end of the day, this list of things, some of them are all interconnected, and I want to make sure I have the ability to draw like a connection between them. The real reason for the problem matrix is not just laying out and complaining about my problems. The real reason for the problem matrix is to start to see what I can start to work on that will allow me to kind of stack them together, because there are a lot of things. I'm not going to stop working on my finances so that I can work on the stuff for my family. I'm not going to stop working on things for my family so I can work on food. I want to try to intermix those. Having a meal with my family that I make at home will save me money because I'm not going out to eat. And I can do that activity with my family, and I can spend that time with my family, and the food will be a lot healthier, hopefully. And so if I look at the matrix itself, I want to be able to make those connections and find the fastest way to get to either solutions to the problem or to figure out a way that I can start to build um, a a path to success.